Well, there it is. Unfortunately, all the beautiful paint work has been thrown out the window from various rollovers and crashes. There, I broke the glass. I had to glue it back together. It's just part of the hobby though. So if you do build one of these, just know you drive it. It's not gonna look pretty for very long, but it's a very fun experience. It does struggle to get around the track. Obviously it has a lot of bump steer. It bottoms out easy, but you don't buy one of these for the handling. You just buy it for that nice look and just drives good, and it's a fun experience to put together. Overall, I definitely highly recommend it. You just have to go into it knowing you're not building this for performance. You're just building it for the experience and have that retro RC action, and it does good wheelies. Ouch. That's a good one.